All right, today on ClarksPlace, we're going to take a look at some of our trim here. Got a little Harbor Freight. I think it's a grinder actually, but we've got some polishing wheels on it. There's my rear chrome trim. That's the chrome trim I'm not going to use there. And then I've got lots of drip rail chrome and lots of other chrome that I know at least I need to do the door top chromes because I don't have new of those. And the rear tail chrome, of course, the little quarter extensions. And get some of the chrome polished up. Just one of the things I can be doing while I'm not painting. So, let's see how some polishing goes today. Yeah.
Alright, you can see here I grab a mask and stuff and start polishing, but it really isn't that dusty when you're doing this. So I would say you can or you don't have to, but it does blow a lot of dirt, but it's blowing straight down toward the ground there. So you'll see later on in the video I don't end up having a mask on, but I end up showing quite a few of these, and we'll get back to some live action now here.
Alright, this one turned out pretty good. I don't know if you'll be able to tell in the light, but every bit, there was a lot of red overspray on this, so every bit of the red overspray is gone, and it's looking really good. I'll come back with some chrome polish and hit the back side of this so it doesn't tarnish at all, and this feels super slick. So I've got two of these passenger side door tops, and then I've got one driver. This one looks like my original. It's got some red overspray and garbage on it, so that's probably my original. And then I bought 5 different doors, and I kept the best chrome off the top of one of them before I sold the doors. So I might end up using, probably polish both of them, see which one is better. And then I think I'm going to start on these guys first. Let's see how these quarter extension chromes. You can see quite a bit of difference there with all that overspray and garbage in it. So we'll get this polished up and we'll see how she looks. And then might tape off and spray a little black. See how good they look.
Alright, here's another little section time lapse that we've got of just doing the quarter panel like chrome trim area there. And I end up running over and checking it where it's actually going to go actually on the car and what's going to be visible and what's going to be black. And I've sped these up quite a bit, and then I ended up speeding them up way at the end, and then I ended up deleting the rest of the time lapse. So if you're a time lapse fan, you're going to miss out.
All right, pretty pleased with these. They polished up pretty nice. Like I said, I'm gonna, in another video, I'm gonna tape that off, and I think all that will get sprayed black. So the shiny part is just that outside edge, and it's 50 plus years old, got a little crust on it, but polished out for the most part. That I will put it on the car to begin with, and as I decide that that's a priority, I will. This one's broken off. You can see the tab is supposed to come out there, but it broke off when I was taking it out, so I'm the idiot that broke that one a while back. But yeah, I've got other priorities first. Those can go on the car, and then as I upgrade and make it absolutely beautiful, we'll upgrade from that. But now time for some tops of door trim. Oh, there's the trunk. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I'll polish these 3 and we'll see what it looks like.
Alright, back at it here doing the actual door tops of those, and there's some little tiny scratches when it's done that you can see in the right light. I mean, overall the quality looks really, really good. And as I was doing it, you'll be polishing with, I got some green polish stuff that I was hitting on that wheel. I don't know if you can see it in fast motion there, but you just keep going over it, and it would heat up in my hands. That's why I always have the gloves on there while I'm doing it, because the metal gets hot. But basically you put that green polish on that wheel and then go along it, makes it all black, and it heats up, and it really, the more you focus and the longer you stay, the more fine scratches you'll get out.
as you can see, there's a little bit of a difference there. Just slightly. Yeah, the original one turned out pretty nice, just with the polish on it. I mean, I probably spent 15-20 minutes going over this thing, and you can see some really hairline scratches in that surface. But for my purposes, and there's a dent, a little dent there. I don't know if you can, yeah, I can see it on the camera there. Little dent there, but overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. But yeah, there's a pretty good example of the dents that I'm putting in my chrome trim. So yeah. Do another side. I'll pick between the two passengers that I've got and figure the best one, and we'll see which one ends up polished. And I don't know if they make these chromes for the door tops, but they may, and that'll be another thing that if on down the line that little dinker that's in that chrome that I don't like right there, yeah, I can see it there. That's right where I grab to get into the car every time. That might be something that I go, hey, maybe they do have some new ones, so we'll see. I haven't looked into it yet. Time to polish some more.
All right, here we go again. This is still the first day that I was recording doing this, and just doing the other door top here. Like I said, I think when I was about done doing the polishing is when I went back over some of the other pieces, like that one that you just saw, and really focused on some areas that had some of those hairline scratches in it, and it was really polishing it out. It does really heat up in your hands, so like I said earlier, make sure you've got some gloves on, but you can polish that stuff. And if somebody watching this knows how to pound out some of those dents, I'm not the best metal worker, but hey, you show me how to do something, let me know how to do it, and maybe I can fix my stuff better.
Alright, passengers. There's the difference. Yeah, it looks pretty slick. A couple little dinkers here and there. It's a little bit of something at the very end. This one actually looks a little better, so I'm gonna polish it up too. See if it looks nicer, and then sell whichever one isn't as nice. We'll see. Alright everybody, day 387 of polish and trim. So we're going to do some more time lapse and get a bunch more of them polished. You can see I've got a little bit of chrome to polish for this stinking car. So got a few pieces polished. There's the trunk. There's a few door tops. I'm not going to do that other trunk piece over here. You can see, but roof rail, I've got a new set of roof rails, but those are the inside roof rails, and then the drip molding, and I think this is for the door panel piece, the top of the door panel. I've got 3 or 4 of those, so lots of mow polishing. And then here's all the front windshield trim that I have not done, so I just did a little section of that as well. And you see it's going to turn out really nice. So back to polishing. Alright, I'm not sure how much I will leave in, but I've time-lapsed doing the complete front windshield trim and polished it all. I don't have any chrome polish on it, but that's how I finish on planning it, or plan on finishing it. Yeah. Hit it with some chrome polish and it should be really good and protected. So thanks for watching ClarksPlace. Bye now. Bye-bye. All right, day 986 of polishing. I've got, this is the driver's side rear. It goes here. And then I've got new chrome trim for along the drip rail molding there, but these did not come with it. So I've already done one. I'm going to do the second. I'm going to go ahead and do the other chrome pieces for the drip rails as well. And then you can see I've got pretty much everything wrapped up and squared away and done. I just did a bunch of that not on camera just because not everybody likes watching me polish all this chrome. But I wanted to do start to finish on these here because these actually look pretty cool when they're done. So I already did one. It turned out great. We'll do the others. And then I got 672 more days to do all the chrome on the Challenger for Pops' car. So lots of mo polishing.